Hi, Guy Simmons at Fine & Country, and welcome to Woodstock today. We're here at 29 Oxford Road, which is just a 5-minute walk from the town centre and more or less directly opposite Blenheim Palace. As a resident, you get a pass into Blenheim Palace, which is great. The house behind me has been totally renovated from the ground up and has some amazing features which I'd love to show you. Come and take a look. So as we come into the principal room within the house, this is a lovely open plan space which has got a GC Interiors kitchen with quartz work surface and island unit, incorporating Belfast sink, dishwasher, and all the appliances in the kitchen are by Miele. So very high-end quality fittings. There's a filter tap here, there's 2 ovens, and then obviously we have the bifold doors that lead out to the beautiful landscape gardens. Round to my left here, we have a little snug living space which has got a portway log burning stove and a lovely stone fire surround fireplace. The features within the house are things like the triple glazed windows, which greatly add to the energy efficiency. There's underfloor heating. There's also solar panels on the roof, which generate 28 kilowatt hours of power per day, and that goes into a battery which stores 7.1 kilowatt hours of power. So this is an energy efficient home which is rated as an EPC level A. As we come through to the rear inner hallway, you'll see there's a cloakroom here on my left. There's a plant room with all the solar battery power and a little office and study. As we go into the main hallway, to my left is a utility room which gives access directly out to this lovely terrace. So in here we have matching kitchen units as in the main kitchen. These are Miele appliances for negotiation. There's a Belfast sink and there's also a freezer in here as well. Let's go through. The lovely oak floors are a theme throughout the ground floor, and these double glazed doors open into the living room. The living room has this amazing aspect where it's got 2 elevations that look out onto this beautiful garden. The bifold doors, again being triple glazed, are fantastic. And we've also got a feature fireplace here, which is a gas effect fire for those cozy winter evenings. Another feature which you'll find in the house is the air conditioning and heating systems throughout, which is so nice on a day like today where it's really rather warm. There's a fabulous cloakroom with vaulted ceilings, and then we go upstairs, up these oak staircases with this lovely runner. And the first thing you notice is this light landing area with this fantastic window that looks out across the garden. There's designer radiators upstairs and the oak floors carry on throughout. What we'll do is just show you the storage space. We've got the linen cupboard, excellent and really useful. All the switches are brushed chrome. As I say, the quality is there for you to see. The bathrooms, which we'll show you as well, have Villeroy Boch appliances, so they're all very high-end quality. You can see the air conditioning unit here, and it's a nice spacious principal bedroom suite with the bath, which is a double-sized bath by Victoria and Albert, and this lovely Juliet balcony which looks right out and across over the garden. There's a large attic which is boarded, very well insulated with a ladder and lights, so that's great for storage. Through to my left is a lovely Villeroy Boch bathroom suite. And everybody likes to have space for their closetry and clothes, and this is no exception. This is a bespoke dressing area, which I'm sure would be something that lots of us would really love. And I will stay comfortable. So we come out from the kitchen, open plan kitchen, living dining room, and we've got the bifold doors that lead out onto this fantastic terrace spacing, and a great place to have some drinks in the evening or a barbecue. What we've also got here is an air source heat pump which does the heating for the house. And then obviously the living room with its bifold doors also benefits from being able to open up this space, and would provide such a fantastic entertaining space. And then we come to the lawn, which this garden has been truly magnificently landscaped with the cypress trees to the side, and this main water feature of the fountain with that lovely sound of the water. Very relaxing just to sit and listen to the sound of the water. As we come to the bottom of the garden, we've got an exceptional log store and shed for all the normal garden implements, and then a screen here that will develop to shield the rear of the boundary and a space behind. But also this lovely little space where you can come and appreciate the house from the end of the garden, under the shade of the brolly. What could be more magnificent on a day such as today? Blenheim Palace is an exceptionally well-known palace across the UK, the home of Winston Churchill and now the current home of the Duke of Marlborough. The property itself is a place where there are many annual events such as the Blenheim Horse Trials, also classic car shows and many music concerts, to name but a few, with the recent Elton John and Lionel Richie concerts having taken place over the last few years. The beauty of living in the property is that it's literally a 5-minute walk to the town centre of Woodstock, and Woodstock itself is right on the edge of the Cotswolds. As we know, the Cotswolds are extremely popular, and you have things such as Soho Farmhouse and the recently opened Estelle Manor. There's also communications via train, via Oxford Parkway to Marylebone and Oxford City Station to Paddington. So what better than on a nice weekend to come into Woodstock with all its independent shops and also lovely places to eat, and then go for a lovely walk around the gardens at Blenheim Palace where Capability Brown designed them. Well, I very much hope that you've enjoyed the tour of this lovely property, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing the local area and the lifestyle that you could have by living here in Woodstock. If you'd like to know more about the property, give me a call on those details that follow.